Hi everyone, my name is Clint.
And my name is Seth, and Clint and I are on the sales team here at Liberty Systems. And today, Clint and I are going to be overviewing and doing a demonstration of a great RFID solution.
Yeah, and the RFID solution we're talking about today, what's great about it is it's going to be able to be used in retail space, warehouse space, really anywhere that you're going to be able to take that RFID type inventory. And the solution we're talking about today, it's a two-component solution where we actually have a mobile computer paired with an actual RFID sled. Pairing devices like this is a pretty common setup within the industry. And what makes it really nice is not only do I have the ability to use that device with RFID scanning, but I still have that same capability of being able to use my barcode scanner on the device, check my Teams, check my push to talk, and be able to do all that as well. So when you put it with the software, it becomes a very, very powerful solution, which we're going to be getting into those use cases here in a minute. Seth's going to walk us through a couple of different use cases where we really like this product. And then after that, we're getting into a brief demonstration, show you how efficient RFID actually is, and then we'll conclude.
Yeah, so I'm just going to give three great features and kind of reasons why we like this RFID solution. The first one is we're able to do very quick inventory counts. So instead of typically scanning individual barcodes to read product, all you need to do is basically wave that reader, and you're going to be able to pick up hundreds of RFID tags at the same time. So obviously, cutting down time there, and then you're able to compare what you're kind of picking up on the reader to your ERP system and get a great idea of what you have and what you're supposed to have, and make adjustments as needed. We also like it because it's so fast and you can do inventory counts and cycle counts much more frequently without having to burn up a lot of time. So overall, you're just going to have a lot more accurate of inventory in your system. And then the second feature that we really like is the ability to locate specific product. So you can use RFID as like a Geiger counter where you can pick a specific product you want to find, and then you can walk around with the reader, and then it's kind of like a hot and cold. So you'll move around and it'll tell you if you're getting closer or farther until you get within a couple of feet and you can find that product. And then the last thing, the third one, is just that it's a great all-around, all-in-one solution. So not only are you going to be able to scan barcodes with this, you can obviously do RFID reading, as well as push-to-talk communication, checking email, Teams messaging, things like that. So the worker is just going to be extremely well equipped when using a solution like this.
Yes, and just to show you how well equipped they're going to be, we're going to run up to the warehouse now and just give that brief demonstration of how fast and accurate and how quickly RFID scanning actually is.
All right, so we have Seth up here in our warehouse, and he has two different devices. One he's just going to use scanning standard barcodes, and the other he's going to use with the RFID scanner, and we're just going to kind of show the difference in the scanning speed and capabilities. So you saw there, maybe took him 3 or 4 seconds to scan those 5 barcodes, but now we're going to have him do the RFID device and see how many we can pick up in about 1 or 2 seconds. So as you can see there, we scanned 35 items. We're just waving our hand up and down the shelves there. But not only did we scan 35 items, we actually scanned those different tags almost 1,800 times. So if there were 1,800 products within this read range, we'd have been able to scan all those items within a couple seconds.
All right, that wraps up our conversation here for the day. Thanks for going through that demo with us. If you would like to demo this for yourself, please feel free to reach out to Liberty Systems. We'd be more than happy to send it to you for a trial period. So let us know.